English together.
Rainy day.
Oh no, look at the sky. It looks very dark today.
Really? What is the weather like outside right now?
It is raining outside. It is also very cold and windy.
That is bad news. I need to go to the supermarket this morning.
You can still go, but you must be careful. The streets are very wet.
Okay, what should I wear today? Is a t-shirt okay?
No, a t-shirt is not a good idea today. You should wear a warm jacket.
Good idea. I have a big jacket in the closet. Is it very windy?
Yes, it is very windy. The trees are moving a lot.
Then I should wear my long pants and boots too.
Yes, boots will keep your feet dry. The water on the street is deep.
Great. I am ready to go now. Where are my car keys?
Your keys are on the kitchen table.
Thank you, Tom. I see them now.
Wait, Sarah, don't forget your umbrella. It is next to the front door.
Oh, thank you. I always forget my umbrella on rainy days.
You are welcome. Drive slowly and have a safe trip.
I will. See you in 1 hour.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.